Today we're going to read a book called Look at My Neighborhood by Barbara Luciano. Barbara is the author. Today we're going to be exploring and asking ourselves, why did Barbara Luciano write this book? What is she trying to tell us? Let's get started. I live in a city. Look at my neighborhood. Lots of people live and work here. I live in the country. Look at my neighborhood. Many farm animals live here. I live in a city. Look at my neighborhood. I have pals who pitch and catch. I live in a town. Look at my neighborhood. I ride my bike with Chad. I live at a lake. Look at my neighborhood. I swim and go out in boats. You saw many neighborhoods. They are not the same. Which one is like yours? Now let's think about why the author might have written this book. Why does the author write about different neighborhoods? We saw a neighborhood in the country. We saw a neighborhood in the city. We saw one in the town. Why do you think the author wrote about those different neighborhoods? I noticed in the picture that the characters in the book all looked happy, even though they all lived in different kinds of neighborhoods. So maybe the author wants us to know that different is good, and we can be happy living in different places. Next, let's think about what important ideas did you learn from this book? And how was that helpful as you read? When I was reading today, I noticed in the pictures that each neighborhood looked very busy with lots of things going on. That was an important idea. Let's look back and find some neighborhoods that looked busy. Here's one. This is the lake. This neighborhood looks busy. The author says, I swim and go out in boats. And you can see other things are going on too. This woman is reading. This man is waving hi to friends. I see a boat speeding by and some friends that are swimming. This neighborhood is busy. And look at this neighborhood. This was the town. This was a busy neighborhood. I see a police officer working. I see friends riding bicycles. And I see the baker has just baked some fresh cakes in the bakery window. So I think the author wanted us to know that different neighborhoods can be busy. Let's look back at page 5. I'll read it again to you. I live in a city. Look at my neighborhood. I have pals who pitch and catch. What does the author tell us about this neighborhood? Look at the words in the pictures. Why do you think the author showed us this neighborhood? What does Barbara want us to know? I want you to send a seesaw video to your teacher, telling her what the author wanted you to know about a city. Look at picture clues to help you. Start your sentence like this. The author wanted to teach me about the city. Then tell your teacher what happens in the city. Look at the picture for clues.